Welcome to Morehead State. Today you'll see what it's like to be an Eagle. At MSU, you experience a welcoming atmosphere, exceptional learning services, and personalized student support. We will help you reach your goals and give you the skills to succeed.
MSU is a top 20 regional public university in the South and has been top-ranked institution for 20 consecutive years. When you become an Eagle, Morehead State invests in your success. MSU provides academic support through advising, tutoring, state-of-the-art facilities, and even a working farm where you can learn on the job.
Our Center for Career Development and Experiential Education offers career planning and helps students gain hands-on experience through undergraduate research, internships, education abroad, and service learning. Our campus is located in the Daniel Boone National Forest and has incredible facilities for recreation, dining, and connecting with fellow Eagles.
Students can stay active and healthy at our award-winning Recreation and Wellness Center. You can cheer on one of MSU's 17 athletic teams by attending Eagle athletic events for free with your Eagle ID. Every residence hall offers free laundry facilities and Wi-Fi. Our campus features a 6E Wi-Fi network, better than any public university in Kentucky.
You can explore your interests and build community through more than 120 clubs and organizations here on campus. Students can also participate in music ensembles, marching band, intramural sports, esports, and more. We also have events that bring the campus together, like Family Weekend and our Homecoming Celebration. Our Campus Activities Board and other student organizations offer yearly events and activities.
We can't wait to welcome you to the Eagle Nation.